Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Gaming Nerd Live. I am your host, the Gaming Nerd, and tonight I have an interesting little project that I'm working on. I would like to create a speech synthesis-ish kind of deal for the for Bear Trauma. I'm trying to flex a little bit into the code, into the XML, see what I can do. I have an idea, but it's going to be kind of... yeah, gonna be kind of intense. There's basically components have their own, like, they can have status effects that are conditional on stuff, but I can't dynamically call the file that responds to sound. So basically I'm gonna have a status effect for every possible sound that I want to have. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a new file. Put here, we're going to put something obvious. I'm going to put dollar signs, dollar. And then what I can do is that I can modify this line. Where is my... you know what, I'm probably going to want to do this in MATLAB. Okay. Standard opening lines for MATLAB. If you ever see me code, I always start with the same 5 lines, 10 lines or so. I don't know. Clear all clears out the variables. Memory closes all open windows. CLC closes the command line. Activate breakpoints is a little thing I wrote that makes troubleshooting a little bit easier. Usually in MATLAB, you'd have to manually insert breakpoints every time you open a file. Or you could use DB commands, but DB commands are tricky. You don't always get them right. And then warning, I don't really... if it's not an error message, I don't care. And so... define default... XML string. Line1 equals. You know, I can do this now as several separate lines if I'm using this. If I'm using MATLAB. However, wherever you see a quote, single quote in MATLAB, you have to put like 4 of them. Okay. Oh, I gotta load the... hey, I found a component type in... yeah, DBDT is a dual pole, dual throw switch, aka a switch that has 2 lines that are connected whether or not you throw it on or off. It's essentially a relay. However, it is a dual pole, dual throw. So dual pole meaning it has 2 lines that go through it. So a single pole, single throw is like a light switch. On, off, 1 line that goes through. A single pole, dual throw, no, dual pole, single throw would be like the relay that we have now. An on and off switch and 2 lines that are controlled by the same line. Single pole, dual throw is like a 3-position toggle switch. It has on and off and a middle position in between them. Or no, 1, 2, and 3 positions. So it's either, oh, sorry. There's an on and an off, but the other condition, the other state is the word I'm looking for. It's not an off. It's like a connection 1 or a connection 2. So think of it like a branching sort of thing. So a single pole dual throw would have a single line that could be either set to A side or B side. And a dual pole dual throw would be having 2 lines going in, and they can both be connected to output A or both be connected to output B. I suspect the DPDT control is, oh, for fuck's sakes. The DPDT. Oh, it's my aunt. Okay. The DPDT, what's it called? Wiring component. I suspect it was a project that has not been fully terminated, but is in the works. What am I looking for? Word list equals. That's this one. Yep. Okay. Sounds cool, huh? But I can see how that would be. I think it's text read. Yeah, read text. Yeah, where's my format? Oh, it's just big ass string. So S. Delimiter. Okay, so if I'm using a text read, text. Oh, fuck it, we'll use a mem map. It's a big enough file I can justify using a mem map. Mem. Oh yeah, is that okay? Well, that's frustrating but relieving at the same time. It's not you, but hey, Pero, everybody's here. Oh man, I'm sorry. Goddamn health, you people and your quality of life, and your healthy longevity. Fuck, making the rest of us look bad. Okay. I think that's all I need is a memmap file. I think I've got this sorted though, guys, for this sound effect thing. I think I've got it figured out. Create a memory map to file. Memmap file, yeah, and then I can take data and turn it to chars. Okay. Okay, that's relative. No offense. That's a good place to start creating new ammo types. Yeah, I ran into it too. I'm using this spreadsheet, the sheet for putting the sprite in for my voice generator. Word list equals. Hang on a sec. 1 sec, guys. I gotta mute the mic. Yeah, I didn't want to imply that creating a mod like new ammo types is easy. Oh yeah, it's a good place to start. No, it's not easy at all. I think it's stir join. See what this does. Nope. Okay. We'll just join. Yeah, that worked. Okay. Yeah. No shit, huh? Okay, word list. Okay, hang on. Get this. Where's my MATLAB? There's MATLAB. Okay. So word list is the lowercase one. Is this all still left over from before? Because if it did, then it didn't save my... Okay, yeah, we need to split this up into... Say, adding a shell that is akin to dragon... Oh, what, the magnesium? Magnesium pellets? That'd be cool. Now, would you do individual shots that glow, or would you make it like a... Yeah, man, that'd be friggin' badass. Oh, you can make, like, there is... I don't know how to pronounce it. There's a YouTube channel. It's Tales of Dermouse or Tale of Dermow, something. Anyways, all they do is, well, they do a lot of other shit, but they test exotic, quote unquote, exotic shotgun rounds. Usually they're like machine stuff, like actually legitimate shotgun rounds. But they give it, no, we made a piece of glass Or like, we're gonna take this chalk or a bolt with these two nuts on one end, and it's like every now and again they stumble across something that some Unabomber could make in his closet, and it's like devastating. It goes to like level 4 plates, and it's like, oh dear God. I've got there's yeah exactly. Oh, you know what I'm talking about. There's a clip on YouTube. I nearly pissed myself laughing. It's this ATF guy tromping through like knee deep snow in the woods, and he sees these guys, like I think he's field dressing a moose or something, and he's obviously got something like vastly overpowered, like something anti-material, not anti-moose. And he calls down to the guy, goes, "Hey, is that thing legal?" And the guy looks up and he says, "Hey, are those level 4 plates?" And the guy's like, "Yep, we gotta go now." Okay, Reg XP. We're gonna use that as our input, and we're gonna say no. We're gonna use stir split, string splitter, exploit. I don't want to know what that does. Are those level 4 plates? Yep, we gotta go. Shite. Okay. Sprint F. Okay, this is where we go. S. And then we say word list. Yeah, man. It's scary what kind of shit you can find out as lethal, like fucking silly putty. I think we want, hang on, I'm looking at my VS Code here. We want, that's 1 tab. We want 2 tabs to status effect, 3 to the conditional. Okay. So we want 1 tab, no, 2 tabs to conditional then. Default line 3 equals. If this works, I'm just so goddamn pumped. I've been struggling with flipping, what's it called? XML for ages. Like, I know how it works, but it's putting it into execution is a lot trickier for me, at least. I don't know what you guys. Okay. So it just takes these strings and sticks them all together. And then we transfer to append results to output storage. If is empty file data equals temp line, else file data equals file data temp line, comma, or yeah. All right, now we output results of file. And it's always these ones, the simple ones that you think I've used 100 times, which you would be right. Combining cell arrays, pre-allocates, passing to functions, create. I don't want creating, I want to output. Cell to match, cell destruct, cell distribute, fill plot, cell, struct to cell. Well, this sounds like a job for Google. It's not Google, that's Discord. There we go. Oh, it's right cell. Damn it. Okay, I think that's what I gotta do. Hey, what kind of MATLAB assignment? Maybe I can help. Vertcat. Vertcat. Right. Cell. What's it want first? It wants the cell data, so it's file data. Oh, if you really want to impress the shit out of your teacher, download the Waterloo graph package and learn how to use it. It's insane. Also, tight fig, subplot. I've got a ton. Like, if you want to learn how to do formatting graphs, I'm a specialist in data visualization. Like, watch this. You've been in MATLAB, right? So you know what a persistent variable is? You know what timers are and global variables and all this shit that can exist in the background that doesn't show up in the workspace, right? That stuff is a problem because eventually, if you're using it more than once, you can create duplicate persistent variables. They can be problematic. So I wrote a program called Nuke It that clears this workspace. It has a fun little animation to tell you when it's done. All right, let's see what this does. Pause. Cool. XML wordless. What does this look like? Open outside of MATLAB. Oh. Shit, we gotta use these, get rid of these. How do you do percent signs? Checked out that package at some point. It's a nuke it? No, that's mine. I made it. Oh, the Waterloo one? Yeah, for sure. I didn't make that one. Okay, no, I'm not doing this right. Sound file equals, okay, fine. You want to be like that? S and S. What's the char number for the percent sign? 37. Okay, so we got char 37. It doesn't like the percent sign is the problem, right? So I'm just gonna call it a string variable and causing an invalid at, oh. There we go. One active range. So if I move this, I was just gonna, yeah, there we go. Okay. Don't need this one though. That's a problem. Oops. OGG is what I'm trying to say. No, off. Output equals OGG. Type unactive. Range. Loop. False. Volume. I think 1,000 is too far for. No, it's fine. Save. Run. Alright. Yes. Perfect. Now, just one or two of these files. Oh, I don't even know if this is going to work. I guess I should try one to see if it works. Before I input like 1,000 of these things. Okay. Voice speaker, electrical, metal crate, max size 8. Okay, no, we need I need to save this. File, save as, export as. There we go. Barotrauma. New comps. Okay, now inventory icon is this one, and also this one for the sprite itself. So this is 230, 373. No, we don't want this one. We'll bring this one back over here. Okay. Mod dear new comp sprites. $233.73. Come on, work with me, computer. A 65 by 85. Okay. Let me put this exactly here. Can flip XX as follows. Okay, 65 by 85. So basically, it's a regex component, okay? And I'm gonna. That's important because I'm going to change the regex string to be one that filters any text that isn't the words that I have on like in this list of the files. And so what happens is that like the signal in is the thing you want, the set output or the signal out is the key one here, because if you set the word in and it's part of the list, the output will be this. It'll be the matching word. And so it'll trigger a sound effect that is the, hopefully, hang on here, what's my, I need to go in here and make sure that my thing is up to date. There we go, file. Is it item or items? I think it's just item, isn't it? Save. Okay. Fingers crossed. Wait, what just happened over here? Shit. I don't know if that's already a problem, but we'll find out here in a second. I need to see where my mod made it in. That's probably the more important part. Mods. The hell? So it didn't find this new comps. It should be the new comps. And the file list is called, oh. Crap. Nope. Crap. Ooh, music. Ah. Name cannot be. Would begin with the blanky blank. Crap. What? Is it too loud? So what is going on that it doesn't like what I... Line 5 it said. Localize new components XML. Name cannot begin with the blank character. Hexadecimal value ZX22. You turn up just a bit then. Okay, line 5 is here. What name is starting with that quote character? What am I doing wrong here, boys? This is saying very specifically new components.xml line 5 position 13. Okay, so line 5. I even have a character ID. Hang on. So fun fact, if you look down here in the bottom right, VS Code tells you exactly where you are. Oh. Derp. Alright, let's try it again. Yeah, I probably need to reload that. Did you catch what it was? Yeah. I used to, when I was doing an undergrad back when dinosaurs roamed the earth, our teacher, being a classic programming teacher, insisted that all of our programming assignments be done in Red Hat. And there was only one classroom on campus that had computers with Red Hat on them. And you had to submit your assignments by Thursday at midnight so that when Friday we could talk about the answers. Of course, being like first year engineers, nobody respects this, and it always wound up, hang on, apply. Oh, okay, what is this? Conditional state, starting one of them does not match the end tag status effect. What? Hang on here. That's more of a procedural error, not syntax. Okay, hang on. Okay. The conditional start tag on line 11, position 8 does not match the end tag of status effect. Okay. Status effect, conditional. Do I have those out of order or something? Oh, it's got to be one of these, I think. Yeah, exactly. / but yeah. Dumb. Atomic. Alright, let's try this shit again. Hey, didn't reject it. Jump. Let's see it. Barrel voice was under B. There it is. Okay, could have find the component status effect. Oh, fine, dude. I'm not worried about it. Hang on, we'll Alright, I'll go back to main menu at the very least. Okay, could not find status effect. Why did it not like status effect? Hang on. Well, I didn't want to do this one, but I think we can do it this way. I even got a light component for it. Nope. Copy. Even made a light. So cheating, just put a light on it. That'll work. Alright, let's see if this worked. Alright, did it work? Come on. Damn it. Could not find the component status effect. But when you put alarm buzzer down, it has no problem with it. Okay, hang on here. You know what? I'm not entirely certain that it's reloading the file. So we're just going to restart Barrow. And in the meantime, we'll go back and look at the his status effect. That is the right one. Oh, the sound comes afterwards. No, I want the sound to be part of it. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, now we're gonna mute the music because that fucking worked. Okay. Okay, calm down, Rob. Get your sprite moved up here so it's easier to test. Okay, turn that down. All right, now. Okay, so we want the output to be A. Basically, we're just going to say, oh, hang on. Bare voice speaker. Oh, wait, it's not. Why doesn't it have regex? What the fuck? Okay, hang on. What the fuck is going on? This is a regex. Why is it? Okay, something's up here. Hang on. Nope. Alright, hang on. Oh, we're so close. It is. What kind of thing do I have it set to be? New component. Sprite texture inventory is a... Doesn't have a type. That's my problem. Needs this one. Alright, let's try that again. If this works, it's not fantastic. It's just a selectable sound generator, and then we're going to put a thing in that makes it look like you can create text, but the dictionary of words that you have available to you is extensive but still limited. Alright, I didn't have a problem with that. Haven't broken it yet. If it ain't broke, you're not trying hard enough. You know what, screw it. I'm just going to plunk it down over here so we don't have to move it captive every time. There we go. Regex find component. Put A. Expression is 1. No, don't use a capture group. And if it receives an A, hang on here. I need a button. Okay, place your bets, folks. Does it work or does it not work? It made the sound. It made it very, very briefly. Okay. Okay, so what happened to the trigger? I think it might have something to do with this one shot. I took it when I saw it in the code and I went on a limb. I don't want it looping, that's for damn sure. I forgot the fileless.xml. Been there, done that. I've been admiring the loading times. Like, I think it has improved somewhat. Because watch, it'll go from 20 to like boom 100. If you listen very, very carefully, okay, when it loads, you'll hear the I can play the sound, but I want to see if it works first. If you're gonna hear it, and that's it, because it's the letter A is the test sound, right? I should probably change that so it's something more distinctive. Yeah, it's looping. Yeah, you're not wrong. Okay, so now it's looping. How do we prevent it from looping? Continuous output. Let's try that one. Nope, still looping. Making techno music here. Is this on? No, it's off. So why is that even getting through? No, it's looping in the XML. I know for sure it's doing that. But it shouldn't be. No, it says false loop, but it shouldn't be triggered. Conditional output equals A. What about input equals? Let's try that. I don't know if that's gonna work. At this point, I'm like randomly swinging and pushing buttons. Fuck, what a day. Dad's having seizures and mom's dementia's getting worse, and I'm sitting here like, oh, fuck my life. Yeah, where's my electrical guy? Hang on. Mr. Electrical guy, don't worry, I got this covered. You can come over this way. I need you to rewire this. To straight in. Nope, no love. Alright, no. Something's wrong with our conditional here. Yeah, see if Working Joe's around. YouTube. Okay, so hang on. Okay, let's go take a look at the GitHub and see what we can find on the about conditionals. Decorative sprite, status effects. No, here we go. Hang on. Does it have to sit inside or outside the status effect? That might be the problem. I'm trying to find other things that are triggered like similarly. And not having as much luck as I'd hoped. Fictions. Receiving corona approach target. Nope, that's not in there. Random events. Psycho clown, what? Status effect action, status effect. Maybe I need status effect action. Maybe, I don't know. Hey, how's it going, Milk Shark? Sorry, I might have missed that message for a couple minutes, but your excitement is appreciated. What's going on? Well, I feel better. Status effect always. Conditional. Not equal part effect container. This carry container. Getting good lead climbing and getting sauced on a Monday. Oh, awesome. I am starting to think this is I'm far too sober for this right now. Okay, conditional hashtag. Oh, conditional hashtag. Hashtag. Okay. Okay, what else do we have? Status effect. Oh, that might be my problem. Status effect always. On use, on broken, on active maybe? On active. Let's try on active. Alright, let's see what happens. Come on. Any ideas on how to make my load speed faster? Aside from getting a better computer, Werewolf. I swear to God, I'm gonna create a RAM disk and just put all of my what's it called? Yeah. Oh, I deserved it. You're not wrong. All right. You still connected? Good. Let's see what happens. Nope. Nope, it's not on active. Hang on, we want to put output. Running around, robbing banks, all whacked up on scuba snacks. Wow, that's an old song. That's a Big Shiny Tune CD. Like 4, I think, if I remember correctly. I know I'm going back. That's like, I was like 10. Hanging around downtown by myself. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm just gonna keep loading this and trying. If it doesn't work, Alt F4, wash, rinse, repeat. Rest in pepperoni. Oh no! Wow, yeah, that was the last time we saw you. No, we did not. We have moved on to slightly different things, but the ballast flora has not been forgotten. It's in fact going to be a key feature of one of my next videos. Probably not the next one because I still got to finish the fucking Bringing the Hurt mini series, which I love it, but it's, oh my god, there's so much data. All right, hang on, we saved that, so we're gonna Alt F4 that shit. Type on active. So no, I want okay, what is a sound? What are the properties of a sound file? Maybe it's the sound one that's, no, it can't be the sound one. Time to test your Amos. If you want, there's a sprite editor, by the way, in the game. I don't know if you knew this. Like just like there's a character editor and a submarine editor, there is also a sprite editor. Yep. You just open your console and type a sprite editor. All one word. Wait. No, I don't want to search off GitHub. Sound. Round sound. Status effect. Sound. Wait, you're not allowed to add sounds to a status effect. They're supposed to be children. Play sound. Okay. Loop, selection mode, false, get out your mode. Each new sound overrides existing sounds that are launched with a status effect, meaning the old sound will be faded out. Normally, the call to play sound is ignored if there's an existing sound playing. Use, for example, in rapid playing sounds, restart playing even when previous clips have not yet stopped. Use with caution. Force play sound. Oh shit, man. This is part of a goddamn status effect. I can bury that right in the... I don't think I need to put it in as a... I don't know. Okay, hang on. Just test my regex modes here. Okay, so I'll look back for status effect. And dot star question mark equals / status effect. You do need to change the sprite some, huh? So nowhere is the word sound found between two instances of status effect in anywhere. Here we go. Whoa. Status effect. Where's this one? On failure target force play sound equals true. Spawn item particle emitter. Attack. Status effect. Force play sounds. Okay, I like that one. Status effect. Force play sounds. Type equals one active. No. Type equals one use? No. What is this now? Oh, that's from my file. Get rid of that shit. No. Don't save that. Not active on use. Electrical discharge. Maybe. Force play sounds. Okay, hang on. Status effect on... No, I don't think that's the right one. Hang on. The damage is all there. Nice. Man. I don't understand the first fucking thing about this. Random selection. Okay, item sound, round sound, action type. Round sound. Okay, I don't know. Jove forces from damaged limb. He does something. Oh, throws up a shield and makes a really loud sound, I'm betting. Oh, he gives off an EMP. Status effect. What is this one? This is a bike horn. God damn it. On broken, on wearing, on active, maybe. I think that's what we're gonna have to wind up. Set value equals true. Pulse amount. Where's these power consumptions? Oh, do I have power consumption on this thing? Yep. So this light component has a matching tag, so it does not need a back or forward slash at the end of it. The sound and the conditional do. Sprite does not. Status effect on use. What is this one? This is the HMG. Whatever the fuck that is. HMG. Okay, status effect on. I think we just said on use or on active. Status effect on active. This, no. Status effect on use. Force play sounds equals true. So let's say use. Conditional output is EQ, A. Alright, let's try this. Fuck, we're just past an hour. God damn it. When I was still designing the Fugu, I replaced the sound of all the panels opening up with a sound effect. It's just surprise, motherfucker. Like if so, imagine you approach the ship and all of a sudden all the panels and every gun in the game pops out of this goddamn sub. Surprise, motherfucker. That's pretty cool though, the fix foam, although it will kill everybody. Oh. Derp, it's looking for a 1. Oh. I can't help but wonder if we've actually had a working condition. Just my dumbass was using a wrong fucking input. Oh my god. Oh. Getting hit with a dart the size of a friggin' pool noodle. Oh. Well, it's working somewhat. Okay, so sounds like always is not good. Unless we turn this off. Do there any women in the channel right now? I don't want to do that. I was going to tell a raunchy joke, but I nearly pissed myself laughing with this joke today, but I don't want to. I've got this tagged as like, this stream is family oriented. No, not for kids, but like, I did flag that there's not much vulgarity. In retrospect, that was a bad fucking idea. Idea after this, before we go any further. Oh, here's a question. That's the same sound file as what it was using before. So, why was it so much faster before? Where's my one-shot idea? It's valid at this point. Okay, hang on. Okay, that's the output signal is equal to A. Well, input. Let's. Okay, we'll try this first. If it works, we'll know what changes. You're never supposed to end. Never supposed to use change two things at the same time, and then because if it works, you don't know what you fixed. I don't know if anybody saw the F1 race yesterday, but it was pretty slick. And there's been a lot of controversy about it because the guy who came in third place apparently failed to serve a 5-second penalty properly, and like 5 seconds is murder in this sport. Let's see. But they fought it and they won. What the fuck is that? All right. Place your bets. Actually, I want this to be huh. I too am at a loss, guys. Yeah, it's 11:23. Anybody has any programming suggestions? Oh yeah, I want to try this one. Input equals A. Alright, let's try this again. Alright guys, regardless of whether this alert works, actually it works, I'll probably go nuts, but if it doesn't work, this will be our final attempt for this evening. It has been an hour and 11 minutes. And I know it's time to shut it down when I start yawning continuously. That's the first time in a long time that I've opened this stuff and there's not like a wall of red text in there. No idea, guys. Alright, well, I'll start bugging some devs tomorrow to see what I can get out of them. I'm gonna go actually probably gonna make something for my dad because he's having a really rough day. And I haven't made key lime pie in a while, and I know that's one of his favorites, so I think we're gonna go with that tonight. In the meantime, guys, do not forget the most important thing. You got to stay nerdy. Have a good night, guys. We'll see you next time.